Hey everyone! To make these earrings, take a canvas sheet and paint it up using gold nail polish. Let's take few diamond shaped kundans. Now start sticking them the way I'm showing over here. After you're done, let it dry for some time and put it aside. Now take few ball pins and beads. Attach them using the pliers. You need 6 of them to make these pair of earrings. I have also attached the drop kundans and diamond kundans to a pin already. Now we will be adding the beads too. The best option would be using a Fevikwik, but I was doing this during lockdown, so I didn't have Fevikwik. So I'm using glue gun over here. And lastly, attach the stud base. Also do cover up the back side of the base with paper and paint it up with gold polish as well. That's it, you're done. They're grand looking and also very beautiful. And they're perfect for party wear as well. I hope you like the video. Do watch my other videos as well. I make a lot of DIY jewelry videos. Do subscribe to my channel, comment down below and share this video. Until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!